Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm diving into the exciting world of options trading. It's a topic that can seem complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. Specifically, we're talking about using options calls and puts as a hedging strategy. This is a technique used by many professional traders to manage risk. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand the pros and cons, and whether it's the right move for you. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started, so hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome trading tips. Your support helps us create more content like this. First off, let's break down what hedging is. Hedging is essentially a way to protect your investments from potential losses. Imagine you have a stock you really believe in. You've done your homework, and you're confident it's going up. But what if things don't go as planned? You've done your homework, and you're confident it's going up. But let's be real. Things can change. Markets are unpredictable, and that's where hedging comes in. But let's be real, things can change. Market volatility can throw a wrench in even the best laid plans. That's where options come in. Options can act as a form of insurance for your investments. Options give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a set price before a specific date. This flexibility is what makes them so powerful. Calls are for when you think a stock's price will rise, and puts are for when you think it will drop. These tools can be used in various strategies to manage risk. Using them as a hedge means you're trying to protect yourself against losses. It's like having a safety net for your investments. But is it worth it? That's the big question. Let's weigh the pros and cons to help you decide. Let's start with the pros. First up, by using options, you can limit your potential losses. This is a huge advantage in volatile markets. By using options, you can limit your potential losses. This is especially useful in uncertain market conditions. For example, if you own a stock, buying a put option allows you to sell that stock at a predetermined price, no matter how low the market goes. This can save you from significant losses. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Another pro is that options allow you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. This is known as leverage. Options allow you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. This leverage can amplify your gains if the market moves in your favor. This can amplify your gains if the market moves in your favor. Imagine making a significant profit with a relatively small investment. And who doesn't like the sound of that? The potential for higher returns is definitely appealing, but wait, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some downsides to consider as well. Let's talk about the cons. One major downside is the cost of premiums. These can add up, especially if you're buying options frequently as a hedge. Premiums can add up, especially if you're buying options frequently as a hedge. Over time, these costs can eat into your profits. And if the market doesn't move as you expect, those premiums can eat into your profits. This can be frustrating and financially draining. Another con is the complexity of options trading. It's not as straightforward as buying and selling stocks. Options trading isn't like buying and selling stocks. There are lots of moving parts, and it takes time to understand how they all work together. This learning curve can be steep. There are lots of moving parts, and it takes time to understand how they all work together. You'll need to invest time in learning and practicing. Plus, the market can be unpredictable, making it tricky to get your timing just right. Timing is crucial in options trading. So should you use options calls and puts as a hedging strategy? It depends on your risk tolerance, your market outlook, and your trading experience. If you're comfortable with the costs and complexity, it can be a powerful tool to protect your portfolio. However, it's not for everyone, and it's important to do your research. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this deep dive into options trading helpful. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of trading. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you navigate the financial markets.